Welcome back to English Basics. In today's lesson, we'll explore the important difference between subject pronouns and object pronouns. Subject pronouns are the doers of an action, while object pronouns are the receivers. Master the difference between subject and object pronouns with this beginner-friendly lesson. Listen and repeat after me. Subject: woman, she, man, he, family, they, chicken, it, table, it, group, they, object, Sarah, her, Alex, him, people, them, turkey, it, radio, it, group, them. Now, let's dive into the practical sentences. I am talking to you. You are listening to me. I am quiet. Loud noises distract me. I am kind. Cruelty never changes me. I am honest. Dishonesty surprises me. I am attentive. The details fascinate me. We are young. Age doesn't matter to us. We are early. They arrive late for us. We are helpful. The community values us. We are close. Distance doesn't separate us. You are quick. I taught you to be slow. You are smart. Lessons don't make you foolish. You are sharp. Tools sometimes seem dull to you. You are creative. Your artwork impresses you. They are strong. We helped them lift the box. They are rich. Generosity helps them live. They are noisy. The librarian asked them to be quiet. They are curious. The teacher answers them patiently. He is tall. I find him short. He is brave. Fear still scares him. He is simple. Everyone finds him complicated. He is hardworking. The boss depends on him. She is happy. They made her sad. She is friendly. Strangers often find her unfriendly. She is wise. The students listen to her. She is cheerful. Everyone likes spending time with her. It is smooth. We feel it rough. It is new. Older traditions remind us of it. It is clean. Dust makes it dirty. It is soft. Cold winds make it harsh. It is a beautiful painting. The artist created it with care. It is a noisy machine. I turned it off to reduce the sound. It is an old car. The mechanic fixed it yesterday. It is a soft pillow. I put it on the bed. Well done, everyone. Now you understand the difference between subject and object pronouns. doers versus receivers. Practice these examples to strengthen your grammar skills even more. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Basics for more lessons. In our next video, we'll tackle the common mistakes learners make with pronouns and how to fix them. Like these. Me and him are best friends. This sentence is not correct because we say, he and I are best friends. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.